31 Kensey Valley Meadow. It's a family size house. There's 5 bedrooms and it's over 3 floors. You've got a nice garden with a decking area and a patio area and some grass to cut as well. But easy to maintain and secure. You've got on the ground floor here, I'm sitting in what could be a children's playroom or a dining room. It's just another room, there's loads of them. And there's also another room which leads onto the garden from here, and the kitchen which has been recently refitted, and there's a utility room just off that as well, and a ground floor WC. Next floor you've got a couple of bedrooms, one ensuite and also a family bathroom or shower room on that floor as well. Then the next floor you have another ensuite bedroom along with a family bathroom and a couple of other smaller rooms up there. So ginormous family home with parking and a garage.